Okay, this is a bit of a YouTube behind the scenes video, just for fun. This is a 1996 CBR900 I've been playing around with. This is something I picked up ages ago that was a bit rough and needed a bit of love. The gearbox was stuffed, so thanks to Tony at Race Bike Services, I pulled the motor down. He's given me a hand to just give it a quick once over, put a gearbox out of a later model CBR900 into it. It's a bit of messing around, but it's done. And yeah, I'm going to probably continue on with the black theme with the fairings, but they are on their way. So yeah, just a quick one, nothing too exciting, but we'll show you this thing when it's all done. But more bike stuff very soon, and more Frank the Tank soon. Thank you.